Hey everybody, it's Maria Willis from Card Bomb here for Tonic Studios, and today is launch day for Stamp Club. This month's release is called Sunshine and Sunflowers. It is a gorgeous set, and I've got it on my desk just waiting for us to take a closer look. Okay, so when you receive this month's Stamp Club, you're going to open up your envelope to find a large 6x8 stamp set and a 6x8 die set. These come in great packaging that features binder holes, a tab at the top for labeling, and an easy pull pocket at the top. As you can see, this Sunshine and Sunflower set is all about those gorgeous sunflowers. It's also got some bumblebees and some ladybugs to add a little bit more fun. Now the dies include dies that coordinate with the stamps, but there are also 2 sets of layering dies so that you can build your own sunflowers out of the die cuts. These are really beautiful and I hope you'll have a lot of fun with those. Now let's take a look at some of the cards that I've made using this Sunshine and Sunflowers Stamp and Die bundle. You can make cards in a variety of different styles, ranging from simple to paper layering to bright and colorful to more artistic. The Sunshine and Sunflowers Stamp and Die bundle is available now exclusively from Tonic Studios. For more information, click the links in the description box below.